Hi, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how to create this easy gathered Maya skirt. You will need your fabric. I'll be using linen for this one. The patterns for this style that you can purchase from our website, elastic, matching thread, and for the embroidery, some lace, embroidery thread, and stabilizer. Let's start with the embroidery on the pockets. I'm going to place the stabilizer under the piece. For the stitching, I'll be using embroidery thread on top and matching thread for the bobbin as well. I have selected two of these stitches. Now let's embroider. Attach the lace onto the seam. Place the lining pocket on top with the right sides facing inwards and attach these together. Attach the pocket pieces onto the front panel. Next, attach the center panel with the side panels. I'm going to do this with French seams. Now attach the front and the back pieces together in the same way. Double fold and finish the hemline of the skirt. Now for the waistband, let's take these two pieces together and attach them at the sides. Fold the piece in half and iron it. Flip the skirt piece over and place the waistband all around it. Open the waistband out and pin all along the seam. Make sure the sides are matching up. Stitch all around. Fold the waistline along the fold line. Fold the seam allowance inwards and iron the waistband. Stitch all along the fold, leaving a small opening on one side. Pass the elastic through the waistband. Join the ends of the elastic together by overlapping them. Close the opening. adjust the elastic and stitch over the side seams of the waistband to hold the elastic in place. And your skirt is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more videos and I'll see you again in the next one.